we are going to learn different types of arc. Actually, there are three types of arc: center point arc, tangent arc, 3-point arc. We will discuss all of them one by one. Click on the center point arc. The first click describes the center point of the arc, and the second click describes the radius and the start point of the arc, and the third click describes the length and the angle of the arc in this manner. Now let's discuss about the tangent arc. The first click describes the start point of the arc, and the second click describes the radius and the end point of the arc. Now you can see that there is a tangent relation that describes that this arc is tangent to this arc. Now let's discuss more about tangent arc with one more example. Click on the line button and draw a straight line in this manner, and after that click on the tangent arc. The first click describes that this arc is tangent to that line, and the second click describes the radius and the angle of the arc, and the third click describes that the second arc is tangent to the first arc. We can see that this arc is tangent to this arc, and this line is tangent to this arc. And let's discuss about the third category, which is nothing but 3-point arc. The first click describes the center point of the arc, and the second click describes the length of the arc, and the third click describes the radius as well as the direction of the arc in this manner.